Most small business owners get invoicing completely wrong. They either use messy spreadsheets, random free apps, or worse, they manually write invoices and hope everything adds up at the end of the month. And here's the truth no one tells you. Poor invoicing is one of the biggest reasons small businesses lose money without even realizing it. In this video, you are going to discover the 7 best invoicing software for small business. You will learn which tools help you get paid faster, which ones reduce errors, which ones save you hours every week, and which ones help you look more professional in front of clients. By the end, you will know exactly which invoicing tool fits your business, whether you are a freelancer, a startup founder, or running a growing small company. Now let's start with something important. Invoicing is not just about sending bills. It is about cash flow. If your invoices are slow, confusing, or unprofessional, your payments get delayed. And delayed payments can destroy a small business faster than anything else. So let's fix that. We start with one of the most popular and beginner-friendly tools in the world. FreshBooks is often the first invoicing software small business owners try, and for good reason. It is simple, clean, and designed for people who are not accountants. You can create professional invoices in minutes, track expenses, and even accept online payments. It also sends automatic reminders, which means you don't have to chase clients manually. But here's the problem. Many users only use FreshBooks for invoices and ignore its time tracking and reporting features. That is where its real power is. Imagine someone like Sarah, a freelance designer in New York. She used to manually track her hours and forget to bill clients properly. After switching to FreshBooks, she started tracking every project automatically. Her income increased just because she stopped losing billable hours. Now here's where it gets interesting. FreshBooks is amazing for service-based businesses, but if you are running a product-based store, you might want something more inventory-focused. That brings us to QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks is one of the most powerful accounting and invoicing platforms in the world. It is built for businesses that want everything in one system: invoicing, accounting, taxes, payroll, and reporting all connected together. So imagine David, who runs a small retail store. Before QuickBooks, he used separate tools for sales, expenses, and invoices. Everything was confusing. After switching, everything synced automatically. He could see profits in real time without guessing. But here's the catch. QuickBooks can feel overwhelming for beginners. There are many features, and if you are just starting out, you might feel lost at first. Now let's move to something simpler. Soho Invoice is one of the best free invoicing tools available for small businesses. It is especially popular among freelancers and startups because it offers a lot of features without upfront cost. You can create invoices, set payment reminders, and even accept payments online. And it integrates with other Zoho tools if you grow your business later. But here's the problem. Because it is free, some advanced features are limited compared to premium tools. Still, for beginners, it is one of the smartest starting points. Let's take an example. John is a freelance writer. He started with zero budget. Soho Invoice allowed him to send professional invoices without spending anything. That helped him build credibility with clients early on. Now let's talk about something very modern. Wave is another free invoicing and accounting software that is widely used by small businesses, especially in North America. It is simple, clean, and designed for people who want basic accounting without complexity. You can send invoices, track payments, and manage basic bookkeeping. But here's where it gets interesting. Wave is perfect for solopreneurs, but it may not scale well for larger teams. So if your business grows fast, you might eventually need to upgrade. Now let's move to another strong option. Invoice Ninja is a powerful invoicing platform that is loved by freelancers and small agencies. It allows you to create highly customizable invoices, manage clients, and even accept multiple payment methods. So imagine Alex, a web developer working with international clients. Invoice Ninja allows him to bill clients in different currencies and automate reminders. That saves him hours every month. But here's the limitation. Some of the best automation features are only available in paid plans. Now let's talk about something very important for small businesses that want branding control. Square Invoices is a great option if you already use Square for payments. It integrates seamlessly with your payment system and allows you to send invoices that clients can pay instantly. So imagine Lisa, who runs a small cafe and catering business. She sends invoices for event bookings using Square. Her clients can pay instantly with credit cards, which improves her cash flow significantly. But here's the problem. Square works best if you are already inside its ecosystem. If not, you might not get full value. Now let's move to a more global solution. Xero is a cloud-based accounting and invoicing platform designed for growing businesses. It is especially strong in automation, reporting, and bank integration. So imagine Michael, who runs a small import-export business. He deals with multiple currencies and international clients. Xero helps him track everything in real time, without manual calculations. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Xero is not just invoicing software. It is a full financial control system. But because of that, it can feel complex for beginners. Finally, let's talk about a tool that is extremely popular among freelancers. PayPal invoicing is one of the easiest ways to send invoices and get paid quickly, especially for international clients. If your clients already use PayPal, payments are almost instant. But here's the problem. Fees can add up quickly, especially if you are doing frequent transactions or currency conversions. So smart users often combine PayPal with another invoicing tool. They send invoices through software like Wave or Zoho, and use PayPal only for receiving payments. Now let's bring everything together. If you are a beginner or freelancer, Zoho Invoice or Wave is a great starting point. If you want professional service business tools, FreshBooks is ideal. If you want full accounting and scalability, QuickBooks or Xero is the strongest option. If you want payment-focused invoicing, Square or PayPal works best. But here's the most important insight. The best invoicing software is not the most expensive one. It is the one that fits your workflow and helps you get paid faster with less effort. If your invoices are slow, messy, or inconsistent, you are literally delaying your own income. But if you set up the right system, invoicing becomes automatic, professional, and stress-free. So here is the final takeaway. Good invoicing software does three things. It saves you time, it improves your professionalism, and it helps you get paid faster. Everything else is optional. If this guide helped you understand the best invoicing tools for small business, make sure to like the video, leave a comment with the tool you are currently using, and subscribe for more simple business breakdowns. Because the faster your invoicing system works, the faster your business grows.